So I've received so many questions about this little girl, what she's been like, how labor was, and everything from in the past couple months. But before I do that, in case any of you don't know, this is my husband Terrell and our little baby girl, Melody. So she was born on May 30th and she was 7 pounds, 2 ounces. And as far as I know, I've gotten a lot of questions if labor was okay, if I survived. I survived. I did the whole thing, medication free, no epidural, no Tylenol, nothing.
Pretty amazing, actually, if you ask me.
He was pretty sure I would call him idiot throughout the entire process, and I don't even think I said a single word.
I'm pretty sure I was thinking it'd be worse than idiot. Yeah.
I didn't even really speak that I can remember.
I don't think so. Not really.
No. But yeah, so she was born at 9:17 p.m. after 14 hours of labor, of which contractions were about 2 to 3 minutes apart throughout the whole thing, so that kind of was unfortunate. None of that,
yeah, that
5 to 30 minutes in the beginning like they say. No, not so much. But but it was good. I think we got there right before I was about to give up on the whole process, so that was good. That was good.
I'm pretty sure. And the fun part is they almost sent us home right before she really got into labor.
Yeah, they wanted to send me home at about 6:30, thinking that it wasn't going to be for a while, and then all of a sudden like, oh wait, yeah, no, you're ready. So
yeah,
they almost sent us home, and we probably
nice burp.
wouldn't have gotten back there. But then over the past couple months, she has.
Oh, and she's puking. Okay, that's perfect.
Good
all
job.
Over. You know what? I'll just wipe it off. You're good. This is some of the finer moments of parenting. This is the stuff that they don't show you. You always see the happy-go-lucky pictures of the baby. No one shows you the puke or the crying. So, wow. Okay, you still got quite a bit going there.
She is getting over her crying phase. There was a couple weeks there where she was just a not happy camper, but she's getting there, and yeah, she's getting over that hump, which is good, because yeah, just there was, you know, a little bit there where she was just not having it. There was nothing that was gonna make her happy.
Oh, you want to give me some more? Okay.
And yeah, so that's good. She really loves, we've got this little piano thing, and she could do that for hours on end if she didn't have to eat.
And Daddy will always give you a little mohawk. How's that?
Yeah,
I'm sure
she's kind of losing some hair, but I think it's coming back in already because her bald spots are filling in. Mm-hmm. The other thing is that you can't really see in her pictures is not only does she have a lot of head hair, but she's furry.
Yeah, so there's quite a bit of shoulder hair. There's some leg hair,
back hair.
And I kind of want to say that's my fault.
I think it is. It is your. Yeah.
Hey, leave me out of this.
You put yourself into it.
Well, I guess there's one thing to say about her weight. So when they weighed her initially, they thought it was 7 pounds 2 ounces. There's a little bit of
a discrepancy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're not actually sure if her birth weight was 7 pounds 2 ounces or 6 pounds 12 ounces, because we've gotten it in kilograms and in pounds, and if you do the conversion, they're not the same. Which
is fun.
So we don't really know, and it's all very up in the air. But
for new parents, there's going to be a point in anyone's journey with the new baby where it's like, all right, we're in between 3 and 6 month clothing. How is she going to fit into 9 months? And then how the heck did she ever fit into her newborn stuff? Yeah. And that's kind of where we're at right now. What are you doing? You getting sleepy? Nope. Okay. We're kind of at that point, and it's just been kind of crazy to look back at what she used to fit in. There's no way she was ever really that small.
No, I mean, it's amazing. She's now well over 10 pounds. She's got nice big poofy cheeks that I think she adds to every single day. I was looking at her cheeks earlier, and her cheeks droop down lower than her chin.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. The other funny part is when you're talking about clothing and how big she is the fact that if you hold her in one spot too long, she can make your arm hurt a little bit if you're not careful. What? Big stretch? Yeah, you want to show everybody how big your arms are? Huh? Yeah, there you go. Okay, now slapping Daddy.
So yeah, I just wanted to come in and make a cute, fun little video showing you what she's like right now, what she's been like over the past few months. Plus, I think it'd be fun for us looking back on her in 6 months or 2 years or 10 years or 20 years and have just a fun little time capsule. So thank you for watching it, but it's also mostly for us, so you guys are just a side effect.
I would say that it's kind of nice because this is our version of a home video.
Yes, our home videos are public. Hi.
And you'll be able to see them too, won't you? Yeah, you will. You want to give them a big smile for the camera? No? No
smiling? She's got some pretty crazy smiles. They usually include a tongue that sticks way out, which is her favorite face, is her tongue sticking out. She enjoys, I think over the past week or two, she's discovered she has a tongue and is playing with it as much as possible. Oh, one other quick thing I want to mention to anyone, because I know a lot of you, when I announced that we were having a little baby girl, I got a lot of comments of different people saying that they were either just had a baby or were expecting a baby. We got her something called a Zen Sack, and it is the best thing possible because her sleep has improved, I would say 200% in the past week that we've had this thing. So if you guys have a baby or are having a baby, I would recommend trying one of those things out, and that's just a side note because it's been amazing.
Well, that, and you don't want to tell other new parents that your baby's sleeping really that well. I've been at work the last couple days and saying, yeah, she sleeps for 5 or 6 hours at a time, and they look at me like, how did you ever get that lucky?
Yeah, I attribute it to the Zen Sack, and it's from Nested Bean, and this is completely side note. This has nothing, I was not paid to say any of this. I will put a link to it in the description box below though, because it's
pretty good.
It's awesome.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, isn't it?
So do you want to do the outro? Here, we'll put you up on camera. Whoa, nope, never mind. You okay? Nope, we're good.
Alright, well, I will see you guys in my next video that is more Nail Art related.
Bye.